So today we are going to shoot DT video. So we took problem statement on how the efficiency of pulse milling affects different stages of people in our society. Shall we start? Who is going to tell empathy?
I tell about the empathy. In this case, we try to understand the real challenges faced by the people involved in pulse milling, mainly farmers, mill owners, workers, and even consumers. We listen their problems and read the reporters. Farmers say that a lot of the harvested problems pulses get wasted because the mills do not process them properly. Mill owners complain that they are using old machines which break and pulses instead of splitting them neatly. Workers say they do not get proper training. Consumers also face the higher price due to the efficiency and poor recovery. All this that the problem is not just technical, it also about the people, knowledge and the systems. That's why understanding the users' challenges is the first step to find good solution.
After empathizing the user and collecting data, we now define the core problems. The key issues defined is pulse milling in many parts of India is insufficient with low coverage rate due to outdated equipment, lack of training and poor pre-processing. This leads to high breakage, powder formation and wastage. For example, while the ideal recovery of dot is 85%, most milling only achieve 65 to 75. This not only reduce profit for millers and farmers but also affect food supply. By clearly defining the problem, we focus our next step on solving the right issues, improving efficiency in pulse milling through better method and technology.
Next stage.
Idea. So here we uses the different ideas to improve the efficiency of pulse milling. So using modern milling machines that are gentle and accurate, providing training for workshops, workers and farmers for best milling process, improving the pre-milling process like drying, cleaning and grading process. So we are going to create a mobile app center.
Okay, next stage.
Next prototype. We choose the idea of an improved pulse milling process with better pre-treatment and semi-automatic machinery. For our prototype, we create a process flow diagram showing how pulses go from cleaning, drying, dehusking and splitting using improved tools. We also made a mini mock-up model of the pulse milling using chart paper and cardboard to show where each step happens. We imagine using cardboards for different stages and adding diagrams for workers to flow the right step. Even though this prototype is not revolutionary, it helps us to visualize the new system.
Next one.
Next stage is test. Now that we have our prototype, we must test it not in a factory but through feedback from teachers, experts or other students. We presented our improved pulse milling process to our classmates and got their suggestion. Some say we should also focus on low-cost tools for some say small villages. Others suggested adding automatic moisture control to prevent overflowing. Based on this, we refined our prototype and made it more practical. The testing stage helps us understand what works, what does not, and how we can make our solution even better. In real life, this stage might involve pilot projects or working the real pulse milling process.
Thank you students for your effort. So as we all know, we are using pulses on daily basis, right? Can you guys name some of the pulses?
China.
By milling, we can get many byproducts of pulses. And also, who is going to conclude?
Yes, ma'am, I tell about that. The design thinking process efficiently tackled the challenges of lower efficiency in pulse milling by deeply understanding the problem, define the core issues, generating innovation solutions, creating prototypes, and refining them based on the feedback. This approach can be applied to the similar problems in agriculture and beyond the highlights of the importance of empathy, creating and interactions of finding practical issues. by adopting different thinking stakeholders can work together to improve the pulse milling efficiency, reduce the wastage, and enhance the living of this involved in this process.
Thank you for watching. We will come back with a new video. Stay tuned.